ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ದುಂದುಬಿಯ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕವಾದಂಥ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಹೋದ್ವಾರ ಕಾರಣಾಂತರದಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೇಸಲ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ವೇನೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಭಯಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್. ಪಾಪ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದರು, ಆದರೆ ನಾನೇ ರೆಡಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಗೊಂದಲಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದ ಗೊಂದಲ ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಗೊಂದಲ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ರಾಜಕೀಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ಸು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರನ್ನ ನಾವು ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತಿದ್ವಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂಥ ವಿಚಿತ್ರ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋಪ ತರಿಸೋವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರಾಗ ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಲಾರ್ದು. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದೀಗ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದಂಥ PUC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಸುಮಾರು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 40-50% ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಸಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರ ಏನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಅವರ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಸಡನ್ಲಿ 10th ಮತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ PUC ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನು ಅಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವರು ಡಿಸಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೌದು, ಆದರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು, ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸ್ನಾಲಿಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸ್ನಾಲಿಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಿತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಅಂಶ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಲಾರ್ದು. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗಳು, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ICSE ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೇನೋ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು, CBSE ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೇಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕನಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಸಹಿತ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿರೋವಂಥದ್ದು ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಮತ್ತು 21ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 19 ಹಾಯ್ ನೇಹಾ ಬಂದ್ಯಾ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು, ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ 2 minutes. ಸೊ ನಾವು 21ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಈ ಡೇ ಟು ಡೇ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರ ವೇಸ್ ಅಂತೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರ ರೀತಿ ನೀತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಏನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಮೊಬೈಲನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು 2 year oldಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತನಾಡೋದು ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ಗೆ ತಕ್ಕನಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಗಬಹುದಾ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದಾ, ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ವಿಚಾರ ಬಂದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದದ್ದು ನೇಹಾ ಜೋಶಿ ಅಂತ. ನನಗೆ ಅವಳು ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನ್. ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇಸ್, ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರೋದು, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋದು, ಫನ್ ಫ್ರಾಲಿಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಂಥವಳು ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಶಿ ಅಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಹೇಗೆ? ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ವೈಫ್, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಮದರ್, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೈಫ್, ಹೌಸ್ ವೈಫ್, ಹೋಮ್ ಮೇಕರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲರ್, ಅ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, and then a teacher. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ವೆನ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಅಸ್ಟಾನಿಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಶಿ ಕಾರ್ವ್ಸ್, ಶಿ ರೈಟ್ಸ್, ಶಿ ಪೇಂಟ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಎರಡ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಯಾರು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ನ ಮೀರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ನಿಜವಾದ ಶಿಷ್ಯರು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಆ ವಿಷಯನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಹಾ ಜೋಶಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ನೀವು ಅವಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವಳ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅವಳ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಸುಮಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸರ್ತಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಭೇಟಿಯಾದಾಗ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 4.5 hours ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾವು. ಖಾದರ್ ಖಾನ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ತುಂಬ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ನಿನ್ನೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆದ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಯಾವುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ನೇಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ರೆಡಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ Neha to request me to add her so that she'll start talking to you people. ಇಬ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಅನ್ನೋ ವಿಚಾರನ. ನೇಹಾ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಆಡ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್? Yes, adding. Now, ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ನೇಹಾ ಜೋಶಿನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಮದರ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೊಂದ್ಕೋತಾಳವಳು ಮಗನ ಜೊತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋ ರೀತಿ, ಪೇಷನ್ಸು ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮದರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಶಿ ಕುಡ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ಶೋ ಮೀ ಥ್ರೂ ಹರ್ ವೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಶಿ ಹಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಹರ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಫೆಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೇನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆದಂಗಿದೆ. ಶಿ ಮೇ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಆಡ್. ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ, ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಖಾದರ್, ಏನ್ಪ ಸಮಾಚಾರ? ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಈದ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ. ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ನೇಹಾ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಅಗೇನ್. ಯಾ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್, ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್. ಬರ್ತಾ 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 ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಖಾದರ್, yes, here is Neha. Neha joined us.
Yes.
Hi, Neha.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing really good. And I was just talking about yourself. I mean, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, what exactly it is ಅಂತ. ವಿನೋದ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೇಹಾ, your perception, okay, as a mother, as a counselor, as a teacher, as a human being, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ my student. Okay, you please go ahead
Yes.
and share your thoughts. Here we
Okay.
go with Neha.
Yeah. So, ma'am, I would start with saying that I've read somewhere. It is said by Bruce Lee. He says that we need to, give our children not what we have got, but we have to teach them what we haven't learned. Okay. So
Yes.
this is something that I really feel. So we've always seen, parents saying, okay, I haven't got this in my life, and that's why I want my child to get this. It could be material products, but we don't understand.
100%. 100%.
Yes. This is something that we've always felt. I haven't got, probably a big car, so I want my children to have that luxury. But they don't understand that materialistic things could just fade away, with time. Knowledge is something that would never, never fade away. So, that's one thing I want the parents to really know. Yeah.
I'll take this to you actually. One of my heads of the department in the Department of English, KLE College, she said, I had a silver spoon right from my childhood. When my father lost his job, slowly that respect, that materialistic standards, and the way in which we were brought up, everything vanished and we understood what life is. You are absolutely
Yes.
right. And I
Very true.
welcome Bharat here. Okay. Right. Again, your voice is breaking, or
Is
are you
it?
trying to speak? Something
No.
is not. Yes.
Okay, fine. So, that is what I think every parent. In fact, I would also like to add this, ma'am, that we've always seen that it's generally the girl, the woman who takes care of the foundation studies of a child, which I totally feel is wrong,
Yes.
because it's the father also who has to put in his effort. The reason that the father does not put in that is he thinks that this is very basic and maybe the lady can handle it, and he tries to pitch in only when the child is in 10th and 12th. But what I have felt is that's the time when the child would actually tell you that no, this is not how it has to be, because the trust has not been developed. Okay, so it's very important that the mother as well as the father, sits with the child, even if it is half an hour a week. It's important to talk to them, communicate with them, understand their level of understanding, calm down, teach them. But this is missing.
So you mean to say the role of parents becomes very important?
Yes, yes, it is very, very important, but it is missing somewhere. It just goes amiss. We feel that it is okay. The mother is handling. I would also like to say this one, that generally it is being assumed that if you're a housewife, you're actually doing nothing. In fact, if you notice this, that when you ask somebody what are you doing, she would come up with an answer saying nothing. I'm just a housewife. This is very wrong. We ourselves are putting ourselves low.
One moment, I think there is a glitch happening.
Okay.
Can you change your modem a little or try to adjust your network connection?
Okay, just a minute, ma'am. Give me a minute.
Yeah. What she says here is, it's a fantastic point what she mentioned. When she says, the role of parents sitting with the child for half an hour does really matter. I think now you're visible as well as I think it'll be clear in your audibility. Go ahead.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So, I was saying this, that a lady, when she's just an housewife, she's actually doing the biggest job that can be done on this earth. But when she is asked as to what you're doing, she generally comes up with the first word saying, nothing, I'm just a housewife, which really puts herself down. I don't think we should all make sure that we are, saying it really well, that we are taking up a very big job. In fact, it's something. Yes, it is not paid, definitely, but it is the biggest responsibility that a woman can take, to bring up a child, because we are bringing up the future citizens of our country.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, that's
I
what
agree
made me always,
completely.
yeah, that's what made me always feel this one, that we as a woman or a man or anybody who is taking up this responsibility has to make sure that you bring up your child in a way where tomorrow there is so much of uncertainty
One second.
everywhere.
One second. One second.
Yeah.
Okay. The problem with your audibility is there is a glitch happening.
Okay. Can
Can
I
you
join back?
change the? Yeah. Please. Yeah, please.
Can I join back?
Now it's fine. Now
Should I
it's fine.
join back? That's fine. Yeah.
No, you're fine now. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was saying
So you
this,
were
ma'am,
saying
that
about
we as a wife, a lady, a husband, or whoever, we should make sure that we're bringing up a responsible citizen. Like you said an example of a friend of yours who said that she always had a silver spoon, and then later she realized the value of everything, because that was the time she was not being able to, that same level she did not have. I think we as parents should make sure that whatever a child is learning, have a point in yourself, thinking that what could that how would that help the child in future. Let's say, for example, if I just take like swimming as an example, okay. My child need not be a national or an international swimmer, but I am sure that learning that I'm giving him today definitely makes sure that he would
absolutely.
earn for
I think
himself and his family.
I absolutely agree with you. See, not everybody can become Abdul Kalamji or Vivekananda.
Yes.
There
Hmm.
can be a possibility of making them understand their responsibilities to make sure that they live for themselves through their earning. I mean, he should have the ability to
True, true.
lead his life and take care of his family. That becomes a priority. When it comes to
Very true.
that, not everyone is meant for medicine or engineering. There can be an artist, there can
Yes.
be a fantastic what is a singer.
Very.
There can be somebody who can literally have fantastic, hands in cooking, etc. So the
Very true.
ability of an
That also.
individual does not, yeah,
Sorry.
lot of glitch.
Lot of glitch. Yeah. My network is
I,
fine, ma'am.
yeah, you can speak now.
Yeah. So that also reminds me of this, ma'am. We've always, felt. See, when a child is into sports, okay, I've heard a lot of people telling me my son also goes for cricket. So there are a lot of people who ask me this as to, do you really think he's going to be one of those 11 players? Why are you putting in that kind of money? Today, everybody's playing cricket. Cricket is, really difficult to get it up. But I need them to understand this, that playing cricket is not the only career that he could have. He could. There are so many. I mean, sports industry is so huge. There are a lot of career opportunities there. He need not be just a player or need not be just an athletic. Okay, that could be option. So I think we as parents need to realize that every industry is huge, and there are many opportunities there, and this is the reason I think every parent should have this counseling for their children when they are in grade 8, ninth, and 11th. They have these career counseling where they check how good your child is. I mean, what field they are good at, and whether they would be able to sustain in that particular industry. It's a fantastic thing, that should also be an option for parents.
Yeah, this point I would like to elaborate. Okay, these days, to understand what would be the suitable field. See, many parents know, as you rightly said, they could not do it, so they want their child or children to do it. That's not the right way.
Yes.
In fact, there is the psychometric analysis for students
Yes.
from 7th standard onwards. They can go for a psychometric analysis, which is an online, a regular test. Okay, it is not knowing about the IQ, etc., etc. It's a general counseling in which students answering those questions. Okay, and at the end of it they get a result, and they definitely get an idea what would be the right field for that child to continue with and study and go on with, right? So parents, I think,
Yes.
you don't believe, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆದ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನನ್ ಮಗು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, it is not just the giving good food, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಆ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ about cricket, some students will be, I mean, some kids will be very much interested in say lawn tennis, horse riding. Yesterday I was talking to one small child. She says she's in 3rd standard. She wants to be a horse rider. I'm still a pony rider, she says. See that curiosity and that
Yes.
excitement, and then she was trying to tell me, my dad never gave me an opportunity to fly in the flight. I want to go on flight. See, these are the demands of the children today. If we can really fulfill that,
Very true, ma'am.
we are somewhere, but not all can be fulfilled. But at least, if we can give them the exposure and an opportunity to learn, I think that's the best part. Neha.
Yes, ma'am. One more thing I'll add, ma'am. I think we spoke about this earlier. I think parents should get this example. If Sachin Tendulkar's mother thought the same, today we would not have the god of cricket.
Absolutely. We
There are
cannot
so
serve
many
them
like that, ma'am.
without
Virat
interest.
Kohli.
Exactly. There are many such examples, right? I think she had to drop. Kiran Kempanna ಅವರಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ರಜತ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಹೇಮಂತ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಲೋ ಹಾಯ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಸುನೀಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ ಕುನ್ನಪ್ಪ ಹಾಯ್, ಮೋಹನ್ ಯುವ ಗೌಡ್ರೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಭರತ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ವಾಸುದೇವ್. Again I'm adding you, Neha. So she was putting up the points which are highly relevant. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜರ್ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಡ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಬೆಂಬಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೊರತು ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಟ್ ಹರ್ ಡೂ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿಸೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅತಿರೇಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ಭಾವನೆ. ಗೋ ಹೆಡ್ ನೇಹಾ.
True, ma'am. I would also request this to parents. There are not only ICSE and CBSE syllabus that we have. There are a lot more others. We spoke about this. There is IB, there is IGCSE. There are so many others that you need to just figure out what is best for your child. As a mother, what I thought was my child should not get into rote learning. Yeah. I don't understand what is the point of just by hearting and putting it on the paper. I haven't benefited from it. I have not been an excellent child, I mean academic wise. I don't understand the need of just by hearting something. I spoke to you about this. Why learn spellings? I mean, why by heart spellings? Phonics is such a beautiful thing. I think as a mother or as a parent, anybody should at least get the basics of it to teach our children. I am so proud that my child does not by heart a single word, ma'am. I mean, a single spelling is not by hearted by him.
Not even table.
Yes. Yes, not even tables. He knows he's 9. He's going to be 9. He knows tables up to 25. I don't understand why by hearting or rote learning was put to us. I mean, it was so difficult. Okay, it was not an easy thing. When there are easier options.
So many years since this is the practice, no? Slowly,
yeah,
I think.
Sure. The whole point is, ma'am, once you actually by heart, I'm sure you remember it for a very short time. Okay, what is the point of doing it? It's not just marks like you started off with. It is not marks that we need to depend. The reason of choosing an alternative school for Yash, that's my son, was only because I don't want him to get into this rote learning. At this alternative schools, basically child is competing with himself. So whatever level he is at today, he's going to compete with himself. There is no point in competing with the others, right?
Exactly.
There is no point in making an elephant swim. True.
These alternate schooling, what you told me, is an extraordinary venture. And you rightly said, okay, you don't have to beat others' records. Instead, you have to beat your own records. If he has the ability to challenge his own self, he will be able to learn a lot, right? And you rightly said, I am not, being a good student or whatever academics he could not perceive. What happens is, I have understood the other way. I would like to tell you, alternate schools, whatever you're talking about, what I have made my students practice is, whatever you want to learn, you write it and practice. You need not by heart. When you say by heart,
yes.
By heart is only temporary solution. But when you write and practice, the concept goes into your mind and it goes on and on and on, and you hardly forget. In case you've forgotten a word, but by the end of that paragraph, you'll be able to rewrite that. Whatever I wrote, whatever I wrote in my master degree, I still remember because I practiced writing. So there are many techniques. To sum up, already 9 it is. Mostly we have spoken for about 20 minutes. To sum up, what we can say, Neha, is that when you are a responsible parent, when you are supposed to be upbringing a citizen of India, keep in mind there is no enforcement. Okay?
Yes.
There is no. Make him become what he is and what he should be, right? Instead of making you be like, no comparison. That's what I want to say. We should never compare. Number 2, as you rightly said, no question of challenging or beating the records of somebody XYZ. He should beat his own record. Number 3, on the earth, if possible, make sure he or she gets the best of the opportunity whether it is horse riding, table tennis, or lawn tennis, or cricket, football, or even drafting, or crafting, or drawing, or whatever it is. The thing is,
Very
as
true.
parents, as parents, we may have to be really be conscious about giving them an arena and a platform in which they can definitely, bring up, or, grow in such a way that, they'll be able to settle or place themselves in the society.
Yes.
This is the, alarm I keep giving people. You also added a fantastic term called alternative school, okay? Alternate school or whatever. And I know what is Yash
Yes.
doing. And as a
Yes.
parent, both of you, hats off to you both for giving a fantastic platform for your child. Probably, this talk from our end may enlighten some, and our job is done. Thank
Yes.
you for
Yes.
your wonderful and precious time that you took for,
Totally my pleasure, ma'am. Yes.
I could understand, you were a little hesitant in the beginning, but you took it really well, and it went on really well. Hope whoever has seen this and heard us will have a complete, a briefing about it. It's a question mark from them now, that
Yes.
how do we go forward? Okay. Best of luck to Yash, you and your entire family. Continue
Thank
to
you.
do this wonderful job of parenting, plus not only a homemaker, plus, I would have asked you to display all those things which you have done in your free time. It would have been a
I,
fantastic thing.
I
Many of
would
you,
totally do.
don't come to limelight. Many of you
Yes.
don't come to limelight. When people understand what exactly, it creates interest. It gives,
Yes.
a hope, so that, they all are able to adopt and go ahead with. Okay, fantastic. Thanks for giving me this fantastic opportunity. And I
Thank
had
you so much.
forgotten to tell that, apart from all these, apart from parenting, apart from taking care of the home, apart from selecting the best curtains, not only, cooking or whatever it is, she is also a Vastu expert. She's doing her fantastic research in Vastu. Get ahead, Neha. Place yourself and let us
Yes.
know more and more about Vastu in our next program, as I can say. Thank you
Sure,
so
sure,
much,
ma'am.
wholeheartedly.
Sure.
I'm proud that I'm your, a poor teacher who could be with you for some time. But I still remember that Carrie girl who used to come late and get scoldings from me. But fantastic.
Always. You should add that word always late for the first class. I have never attended the first class in this
First class,
college.
first class. And I always used to show you the door. I agree. Anyways, now you're no
Yes.
longer a lazy student. You have become so busy in your life. Fantastic. Get ahead.
Thank
Thanks for
you so
your
much.
time. And it was really indeed a fantastic opportunity that I could share your thoughts with all our people. Fantastic. Okay. You're
Thank
also
you
one
so
of
much for
the
giving me this
important.
opportunity, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Okay. God bless you. So
Yes,
with this, friends, we
ma'am.
are saying so long and bye bye till the next program. Hope this program of ours has given you some insight into parenting and alternate, thinking in
Correct.
terms of education and things like that. So bye,
Yes.
friends, and have a great time. Take care. Bye bye, everybody. Bye, Neha.
Bye, ma'am.